Good morning, everybody. This is Saturday morning. I just finished my appointment with the vascular surgeon, and I'm a little nervous. I have to come back 4 more times. I have to come get 3 new ultrasounds, one of my carotid arteries, one of my aorta, and one of my abdomen. And then I have a follow-up appointment on August 9th. So, I was planning to leave to go home, and by home I mean Washington, for a few weeks, but that's not going to happen now. Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, I'm not worried. I mean, because if there's a problem, they'll fix it. I've had many people suggest going to a nutritionist. Well, my feelings on that are that if you go to 10 different nutritionists, you're going to be told 10 different things. So I just don't see the point in that. I'm going to keep eating fruits and vegetables and some starch and see how things goes. That's just a choice I made. I've had a couple keto people leave comments saying they were unsubscribing. Okay. That cracked me up. Also, to the lady who said, oh my gosh, this is hilarious, you guys. On the thumbnail picture of the night I went to the luau, I took a group picture of the 5 of us, and she said, busted! Since when does wine come in a beer mug? I'm going, first of all, what is she talking about? And second of all, why would I hide drinking beer if I was drinking beer? I mean, if I wanted to drink beer, I would drink beer, and I mean, what's the big deal? If you look at the picture, it clearly shows the wine glass sitting in front of me. Clearly shows. And, I mean, and she just ragged on and on about what a liar I was. Like, oh my gosh, get a life, seriously. That was funny. Anyway, I'm on my way home. I'm still not feeling great. Like I said before, my legs feel like they weigh 100 pounds each. So, time will tell. The nice thing about getting up before the sun comes up is I can sit outside and have my coffee and look at the Superstition Mountain. This is the real me when I wake up in the morning, just out of bed. Do you guys remember a few weeks ago when I showed you the home of the woodpecker? Well, I'm going to be real quiet and see if you guys can hear the babies in there. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to hear them. Anyway, The woodpecker, the mama, just flew out just as I was walking up and flew up into that tree. Oh, there she is. She's right there. I won't hurt your babies, mama. Oops. Can you hear him? And mama just flew back. I don't think she's happy with me standing outside of her little house here. It's okay, mama. I'll leave him. I'll leave him alone. See the quail right there with all their babies? Sorry, it's hard to hold it still with it zoomed in. If I walk up, they're gonna all run away. They're so cute. And they're so fast. Okay, watch them. Mama's walking away, so they'll follow her in a minute. But they're going the opposite way. For lunch, I'm having my other sushi roll and some sauce I made out of hoisin sauce and liquid aminos and 1 drop of sesame oil.